Michael Simmons was always in the middle. Middle child, middle Barry. Middle manager for a mid-sized financial firm specializing in middle to long-range investments. Now Michael had become monkey in the middle.
I told you, Bottoms, we're too busy.
Of course you're too busy. I mean, that's normal.
Well, if the tops are too busy, we are too busy too.
He didn't mean that. He just meant he's rather busy.
Talk to your supervisor about it.
Our supervisor is on your side, and he's on vacation, so we want Michael to deal with it.
Well, I know your supervisor, and he's not me, so it's not my problem, right? Of course. If David's on vacation, I'll deal with it. Fairly, honestly. That's my job, right?
Sure, you can deal with it. Great. And listen, we're going into the backcountry tomorrow, so no cell phone reception. Sorry.
If Michael's going to deal with it, great, because I'm middle on about 6 other projects. So, that's decided. It's all you, Mike.
Oh, great. Because, I just want you all to be happy and like me.
We like you, Michael.
We like you a lot.
At least for now.
Just keep pitching in, that's all.
You're a trooper, so keep trooping. You can do that, right?
That's my job.